The Lakeland Aero Club is a high school-age flying club for young aviators. During Sun and Fun, they were busy with a hands-on lesson in rebuilding an engine.
We actually got all of the pieces disassembled and all in different pieces. Everything was cleaned, all sandblasted and everything. Over the course of the 4 days, we had the crankshaft. We started there, and then we built onto that, put the casing on, put the pistons on, and went through from there.
And it started.
Yeah, absolutely. So we actually just recently been testing it. Yesterday we did start our first test.
Clear.
Which went very successful.
I'll say. But success isn't just about an engine turning. It's what this project is setting these bright young people up for.
Being a part of the club is definitely going to help me reach my dreams and aspirations. Not only will I go in with prior knowledge, but I'll also have hands-on experience. For instance, before joining the club, I had no idea what certain tools were. Like a screwdriver, I used to call it the little screwy thingy, and now I know the technical terms.
Polk State College freshman Denira Richardson has come a long way. Both she and Winter Haven High School senior Jonathan Gauthier are James C. Ray Scholarship recipients. The hands-on learning has made all the difference.
Very educational. It was very interesting to be able to see the fact that of how a piston moves, how everything is assembled, how the engine actually goes together, all of the stages of the combustion cycle, and everything, and actually see that the theory that we learn in the classroom practically.
And that practical knowledge helped Denira. The week after Sun and Fun, she did her first solo flight. In Lakeland, Florida, Sierra Harrop, AOPA Live.